guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Now, I just wanted to take a quick sec to remind you guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for new video notifications. And like the videos if you guys like the content I'm providing. And always comment on the videos. I love hearing what you guys have to say. So guys, it's a long weekend this weekend. There's not too much news about Ripple or XRP. So I was scouring the internet a little bit and I found this article on CNBC.com regarding Bitcoin falls below $6,000 and one crypto trader says it will go lower. And I'm just going to read a little bit of this article. I know this sounds a bit negative, but we do have to remember, guys, Bitcoin is right now acting like the index for cryptocurrency, okay? All the other coins are following, including XRP. So we really do have to pay attention still to what Bitcoin does in order to kind of really understand what the market's doing. But the positive side to that is we shouldn't get worried or upset because, if everything is doing the same thing, I'll show you CoinMarketCap here, all these patterns look pretty identical, right? So that's actually a good sign. Even though the market's going down, I know it sounds a little counterintuitive, but even though the market's going down, the fact that all these coins, especially the coin that we all love, XRP, is doing the exact same thing, which means we're still in a very immature market. All the coins are following Bitcoin, so we really do have to, keep tabs on Bitcoin and see what it's doing. So let's get back to this. So Bitcoin fell below $6,000 on Thursday, according to cryptocurrency trader Rand Neuner. It's likely to go even lower. Okay, so he thinks Bitcoin is likely to go even lower. There is more blood to come, says Neuner, who is the host of CNBC Africa's Crypto Trader, said Thursday on Fast Money. Okay, Bitcoin traded down 3.3% at 58.8560 as of 6:50. Okay, these are just the times. Right now, my money is on the market continuing to go down. That is really important, okay? In fact, Neuner said there's more than a 60% chance of a crypto bear market compared to a 16% chance of a bull market. And a bear market means we're going to see and we're going to test 53.50 as the new low, okay? This isn't the first time Neuner had a grim outlook for Bitcoin. Earlier this month, he said the coin would drop as low as 5,000, and there's a video on YouTube where he does say this. It's right here. I'm not going to play the video for you, but there he is, Rand Neuner, rather. But anyway, he says that we're looking at another bearish trend. So he's looking that there's a 60% chance of a crypto bear market in the short term compared to a 16% chance of a bull market. So let's go to the Bitcoin chart. And we're going to try to apply this to XRP later on. So as you can see, okay, we have Bitcoin trading below 6,000. Right now, it's actually a little above. This was from a couple of days ago, but it was trading around here when he made this statement. But the numbers really aren't the important thing. We have to look at support levels. So this was the former Bitcoin support level. As you can see, it's trading below support, and it was for a little while, and it's still trading below support. And so he's saying that it's going to test. What did he say? It was going to test. Now that it's gone below this price, he says it's going to test the 53.50 mark. So if we go to the Bitcoin chart, and okay, so this was a former support level, congruent with this one. It's on the same kind of wavelength here, but this one dips a little lower. This is 58, but he says we're actually going to test fresh support levels. So not this one here, 55. He's actually thinking it'll test 53.85, which is over here. So that's a fresh support level, guys. And if there's when you're talking about support and resistance levels, the important thing to remember is the further away the support level was in terms of time, the more likely the trend will bounce off that level. So this was way back. This level that he was talking about for Bitcoin, the 5,300. Okay, so as we can see here, this is 5,300. Okay, and it caps out at 56, and we're up here right now. So he's thinking it'll come down into this level, and this level was from October 24th, 25th, 2017. Okay, so this is a 2-hour Bitcoin chart. He's thinking it'll bounce off 53. So he also goes to say that, if Bitcoin does hit this level, for long-term holders, it's a really good opportunity to buy. Obviously, what does this mean for XRP though? Okay, so as we know, we're coming off support here. Okay, and I made these charts a few days ago in the video from a few days ago, and we see this as the next support level, and this kind of falls into the same. I mean, XRP hasn't been around for long, and the price wasn't really doing the same thing as Bitcoin was, but we're finding that this level will probably be the next level of support for XRP. I think that's 19 cents to about 28 cents. So guys, it's really important to look at what the index does. And so in stock markets, you're looking at the Dow or the S&P 500, or the NASDAQ rather, depending on what kinds of stocks you're looking at. And the stocks like Apple or Johnson & Johnson or Harley Davidson, those are the stocks. So the stocks follow the index. The index is made up of the biggest stocks. So we've got to consider Bitcoin as the index and consider XRP as the stock. So guys, we don't have to get too worried. The fact that everything is following the exact same trend, and that is Bitcoin, that's what we have to get excited about. Because, if Bitcoin was going up, for example, and everything else was going up, and XRP was going down, that's when we have to worry. Okay, guys? So I'm really looking forward to the decoupling of XRP from Bitcoin, as I'm sure all of you guys are. But right now, we're in a very immature market. Retail traders are still trading. Volume's very, very low. And we got to just wait until that clears up. All right, guys, until next time, please subscribe. Please like the video, add your comments. Would love to hear what you have to say. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.